18 LED lights captivate your senses with surround lighting for that ultimate makeup experience. 18 high CRI LED bulbs lets you see colors in its most natural form. Smart touch sensors shift from color settings to brightness control seamlessly with touch sensors. Smart memory functions automatically record your last desired settings to save you time. Color temperature settings customize your look for all occasions with tricolor settings. Warm white for romantic dinner dates, neutral for the office and cool white for the great outdoors. USB power, powered up by USB socket or power bank. Output of the adapter needs to be 5V2A, 12V will burn out the chip that lights the light bulbs. Gift package. Elegant color box with handle, perfect present for mother, wife, girl. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Really great product. I use this every day to get ready. I would like it to go a little brighter, but I like to do my makeup on the sun. Easy to set up, multiple light shades, sturdy, well packaged.